Hi, Dr. Jo Messenger here. Thanks for tuning in. Having hard conversations can be challenging, but they're essential to building healthy relationships. When you take time to talk through difficult topics, it allows you to better understand and appreciate each other's perspectives. It also gives you the opportunity to work through any issues that are causing tension and find ways to move forward together. When you make the effort to have honest conversations, it demonstrates that you respect each other's opinions. It also helps build trust, which is the foundation of all strong relationships. So while it can be intimidating to have the confronting and difficult conversations, it's important to take the time to do it in order to be closer to each other and to have deeper connection. Having difficult conversations can be daunting, but having the right mindset and approach can help. So here are some tips to help you to get the best results. Okay, so prepare. Think through the conversation you need to have and the points that you'd like to make. This will help you feel more confident and organized. Remain calm. Avoid getting angry or defensive. Keeping calm and a respectful tone during the conversation can help keep the conversation on track. Listen. Give the other person a chance to talk and for you to listen to them. Show that you are actively listening by making eye contact and summarizing their points. I'll actually put in the link below, in the comments below, a link to one of my previous videos, the rules regarding eye contact, I beg your pardon, so that you can get it right and don't come across as creepy. Practice empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This can help you to find common ground. Stay open-minded. Just because you have a different opinion doesn't mean the other person is wrong. Try to be open to the other person's point of view and to compromise, to find common ground. Okay, follow up. After the conversation, see if there's any follow-up that needs to happen. This can help ensure that both parties feel heard and that any decisions made are followed through. So by following these tips, you can have those tough conversations with more confidence and better outcomes. To continue to get the best personal development tips and tricks from me and to improve your life, please boop the like and subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you soon.